Fix lag in BlueStacks 5. How to fix lag in BlueStacks 5. So first of all, open BlueStacks and go to Task Manager. Now after that, go to BlueStacks and right click on it, go to Details, and after that, go to HT Player, right click on it and set priority. You may see here normal, set it on high or above normal. I will set it in high. Now close Task Manager. After that, go to Start in your Windows and type Graphic Settings. Now go to it, and after that you see a bunch of apps you have on your PC. In our case, we need BlueStacks. Click on it, and after that click on Options, and you may see here 3 options. Set it on high performance and click Save. Now after that, open BlueStacks program and go to the sidebar and click on Settings. Now go to the performance. Now CPU allocation. So how to know how much cores we have on our PC? It's easy. Now in taskbar, right click on it, go to Task Manager. Now go to the performance. In my case, I have 8 cores, as you can see here. So I will set it in half. Now in memory allocation, we need to set it in half of what we have in our PC. So how to know how gigabytes you have in your RAM? Just go on the Start and type about your PC. Now click on it, and here it will show you all the information that you have in your PC. In my case, in my RAM, I have 16 gigabyte. So after that, I will set it in half. Here, 8. Now in performance mode, select it on high performance. In frame rate, set it as 60 FPS. Now, after that, go to display. So after you go display, you can select this option or this option. It's different from each PC to another. In pixel density, set it in 240 or 320. And after that, go to graphics and select DirectX, as you can see here. Now go to user data and clean the disk. So after you do all of this, just restart your BlueStacks program and it will fix your problem. So this is how to fix lag in BlueStacks 5. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.